Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back. If you're not, I am Michelle from Fine Natural Hair and Faith. In today's video, I will be unveiling my August hair care routine. But sidebar, I got new glasses. Not for nothing, when I get new glasses, let me tell y'all, all my glasses look very much the same. Because I am an animal print lover, I do tend to get the same type of glasses over and over again. So they could be a different color, they could be blue, they could be plain, but they have to have this like animal print. Like these are like really light and then it goes darker, and then I have like the side here, and these are by Coach. I get my glasses from Target Optical. I used to get my glasses from Lens Crafters, but I found out that they use the same lab, and I pay half of what I would pay at Lens Crafters. Anyway, this is not like endorsed or anything. I'm just sharing with you guys my new glasses. So I'm trying to keep August super simple. I'm getting results in my hair care, and I really want to continue on this journey to length retention and healthy hair. So first, let me show with you the products that I'll be using for the month of August, and then I will show you the hairstyle. Okay, and excuse the background noise if you hear it. I live in an apartment, and to be honest, it's not easy to find complete quiet. So I'm in the bathroom, obviously, and you know, faucets running and so forth. I'd have to do this video at like 4 a.m. to get silence. That's not happening. So we're starting with amla powder. I always pre-poo my hair with amla powder. I will be pre-pooing again this month with amla powder. It really does help to strengthen the hair. It's one of the strengthening herbs that I shared in my reel over on Instagram. To wash my hair, I'm going to be sticking with the same products I used last month, and it's the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo, and the deep conditioner will be the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I've really been enjoying these products, and so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Not to mention, I don't actually have a lot of cleansers and deep conditioners in my stash because I do try to follow a pretty minimalist sort of, I don't know, some people wouldn't call it minimalist, but it's minimalist to me, and it's minimalist to anybody who's a product junkie. Now when it comes to styling, I will be using Camille Rose Naturals Coconut Water Leave-In Detangling Treatment. I have loved this product for so long, and I'm finally down to like probably what you would consider a month's worth of leave-in, since I only wash my hair once a week. I will be washing it once a week this month. Last month I washed it twice a week. Well, no. Last month I washed my hair only twice because I had the braids in, and so obviously this is the result. This is me just, my hair is out. I took the braids out. But this leave-in treatment, I'm going to use this, and I may or may not repurchase it. It just really depends. I'm rotating between 2 to 3 leave-ins, and while I like this, it's probably one that I will probably buy like on the spur. So in conjunction with that leave-in, I am using the Camille Rose Naturals Coconut Water Style Setter for, you know, my styler. I will be using my Jamaican Black castor oil on my ends. I typically don't really do it so much on the length of my hair, but I do use it on the ends. Now for my scalp massages during the week, I will be using S Secret's Growth Oil. This is my second bottle. I am really enjoying this, and I will definitely support her and repurchase this. This might even become a staple because I really like how it stimulates the scalp, and I do use it also on the length of my hair. But prior to this oil, I make the DIY hairspray that she shared in her video, and I've been using it for about a month now. And this is that spray. I make it fresh every week, or like every maybe 9 days or so. If it starts to smell funky, I throw it out, but I do keep this refrigerated. And I love to, like, after I wash my hair, to spritz it through, and then 2 or 3 more times during the week I use this again to spritz my hair, and then to massage my scalp with that S Secret's Growth Oil. I will create a video of how I make this in the near future, but essentially I follow her recipe, but I did change things up just a teeny tiny bit for my hair. So I think it's important to note that whenever you do a sort of like a DIY and you copy a recipe from someone else, there's ways to tweak the recipe so that it works better for you. So if you know, like for example, you have fine hair and a recipe contains one of the really heavy oils and you don't want to use that on the length of your hair, then you know, you could swap that oil out. Like I like to swap oils out for sweet almond oil, and I also like to swap oils out for jojoba oil when indicated. Like if there's a recipe and it says that the recipe is supposed to have, like, let's say castor oil in the whole recipe, I may put some castor oil, but then I'll kind of dilute that down with a lighter weight oil for my fine natural hair. Stop it. What is that? Okay, so as far as my process, how I do this monthly hair care routine, if you're new here, I will leave a link down below to some forms that I use, but essentially this is the form completely filled out. I follow a faith-based hair regimen where I believe that God is at the center of everything that we should do, even our personal care. So as far as my hair is, I focus on a specific scripture. I will leave the link down in the description box below. And what I will do is on the day of wash day, I will, you know, meditate on the verse. I will thank God for his promises, and I will thank him, you know, for helping my hair to thrive and to respond, because this is the crown that he gave me. So as far as what I'm going to do, not demonstrating it now just because I'm kind of a little bit in a rush. I do typically demonstrate in videos. If you really want to see me demonstrate going forward, let me know. But essentially, you know, the massage of the scalp with the pre-poo apply. I let my pre-poo sit for like 30 minutes on my hair. Then I go in and then I will wash. After I wash, you know, I make sure everything is rinsed out, and typically sometimes I do have amla left in my hair. It is what it is. It does not bother me at all. People put that shea butter in their hair and they leave that in. Honestly, it doesn't hurt me to leave amla in my hair. When I deep condition, however, I do intend to add a tablespoon of henna to my deep conditioner. I will scoop enough out. I will add my tablespoon of henna, and I will make this into a henna gloss because I'm all about that strength. I'm all about that strength. About that strength, no struggles. Okay. So after I wash out my deep conditioner, then I go in with my leave-in, and after my leave-in, then I apply the oil, because right now I am following the LCO method. In the wintertime, I follow the LOC method, and of course I then add another C to that, being the cream styler. But for the sake of my hair this summer, my styler is literally going to be my leave-in conditioner and my oils. Now let's talk about the hairstyle, and I will leave a picture at the end of what my hairstyle looks like when I'm done. This month I'm keeping it super low maintenance. Like last month it was braids. I had to rebraid once, and it is a lot of manipulation to braid your hair, to unbraid it, but you know, it lasted a long time. However, this month it's gonna all be about buns, baby. Yes, I am going to basically have my hair in 2 buns all month. I can take it down, moisturize it, put it right back up. 1 bun on this side and 1 bun on this side. Very super low maintenance. I may even combine it and make just 1 low bun. But essentially, this is low maintenance. And so I don't want to do a lot this month. And, you know, I'm just trying to enjoy my hair without, like, causing breakage. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I have a lot more videos coming for you guys, and I have an announcement to make. However, this is the end of this one, and I'm going to stop because I'm a rambler. Thank you for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in my next video. And as I said, I will leave links to everything down in the description box below.